Don't bring out your head,
Is that a taxi?
Yes. Hello everyone, it's me, Louis Corpuz. Welcome to Baguio Paparazzi. Today we're just gonna do a little errand. We're gonna walk going down to the Central Business District in Baguio City. Let's go. But first, we need to do a little striking. You can check out my other channel, Louis Corpuz, for if you are interested in Muay Thai and kickboxing. So today we're gonna do simple jab, oblique kick, Superman punch. There. So let's walk. Thank you to all the people watching and subscribing. Welcome to Baguio Paparazzi. Welcome to our beautiful Baguio City. Let's go. Let's go. First stop, we will be going to BPI Bank. We're just gonna withdraw small money because I don't have money. Hello, dog. Well, let's go. It's a beautiful day, beautiful sunny day, sunny windy day, Baguio City. Look at those pine trees. Look at that cell site. So I'm walking going to town, but first we are just gonna pass by the chapel. I always pass by the chapel. Just say a little prayer and always be thankful for whatever. Okay, we're here. It's a little slippery. We pass by there. Here, we're in the chapel. Okay, let's say a little prayer. Lord, thank you so much for everything, for all your blessings, for keeping me healthy, safe, and protected, me and my family. Always bless us, Lord, me and my family, and also the person and the family of the person watching this video. More blessings to all of us. Thank you so much. So this is the Baguio City Police Office. It's very near Baguio City Hall. We're here, BPI. Just gonna go see Ukay Ukay again. Ukay Ukay. Okay, we're going here in the Ukay-Ukay again. For women, 60.
Akala ko kung sinong attorney yun. Kasi nakamasma, akala ko kung sinong attorney.
Namalingki o ano?
Ay, galing yan sa ano.
Galing sa ano?
Eh, nakamasma yung kitak niya.
Sigurado ang bayad bago ibigay ang parcel. Abot kaya at hassle-free. Kaya sa negosyo mo, GRS Express Cash on Delivery na. Para sa iba pang katanungan, sitahin ang aming mga GRS Express Bago branches. GRS Express. Kahit kailan maasahan, kahit saan makakarating.
Oh, I like this. So we are here in the Ukay-Ukay again. Let's go look for more Ukay-Ukay, cheap Ukay-Ukay finds. So here I found this cheap, very affordable Ukay-Ukay here in Hilltop. I'll show you.
Yes, bro.
Here.
I'm good, bro.
Going up here. So 60 pesos for jackets. Let's look. So here we have a 60 pesos. 2 for 100. And there's more there up. We'll be going there. Hello everyone, we're just gonna sit here under the tree just to rest. Advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of you. More blessings to all of us. Thank you for watching.